In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and a complete setup of HP NY6155E printer, and you can also follow it for HP NY6152E printer. So you can see it comes with the quick start guide and manual. In this box we have the ink cartridges and the power cable. So we can just take them out. So that is here, ink cartridges, black and color. These are setup ink cartridges, and that's the power cable. That is our printer. And take it out. Remove the plastic packaging. Remove the plastic tape. Lift it and remove this paper. Lift it from side and then remove the front tape. And we can close it. Plug in the power cable at the back of the printer. So remove this seal. Go to the back side of the printer. If you want to use your printer with the USB cable, then you can plug it in here. On off button, that is the power button, is here. Plug in the power cable. Once you plug in the power cable, the printer will start automatically. Go to the printer display panel. On the main panel, you will see the language. You have to select the language. This is a touch screen printer. Confirm the language. Select country of residence. On the next screen we can see it says go to setup website. From here we can start the actual setup process. If you want, you can just scan this QR code using your smartphone. It will take you to the HP website. For example, I can show you here. Just click on the link, it will take you to the HP website. It will display how to set up this printer. So right now we are just going to set up without going online. To set up the printer, first we have to load the paper, pull the paper tray out, adjust the size, you can load A4 size or letter size paper. Close it. On the display panel you will see it says paper is installed. Press OK. Next step is to install the setup ink cartridges. For that we have to lift this printer from this side. Setup ink cartridges will go at these two places. Now take the ink cartridge out of this plastic packaging. So just open from one side. Remove this orange seal. Place it here. Once it slides in, you have to push it inside and it will lock here. That is the second ink cartridge, black. Remove the seal. Now place it here, slide the first portion and then center here and then push it in. It will lock here. So if you hear the lock sound, that means it is installed properly. Push it down to close. Go to the display panel. So we have installed the new ink cartridges. Okay. Printer needs alignment. Click on the align. Open the lid. Place this page facing down. So it should be like this on this corner. Close it and click on the scan icon. Alignment is done. Press OK on the touch screen. Go to the display panel again. Once you finish this process, it will ask you to return to the setup website. Click on this question and it will display get HP software. Scroll down, click on the exit, skip HP software, exit. On the next page it will display printer updates. Scroll down and then click on the next. Select auto updates. If you don't want any update, you can click on the none and then click on the save. On the next screen we have to select date and time. Just select it and then click on the continue. And you will see the main screen of the printer. It displays menu, copy, scan. So if you scroll, there are all the icons. So let's do the wireless setup of the printer. Click on the menu, scroll down, click on the setting, select network, Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi setup, start. It will give you the list of wireless networks. Select your Wi-Fi, click next. You can enter your Wi-Fi password. Use this touch panel. Once you enter the complete password, press OK. Submit. OK. Press OK. Click on the home button. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. The blue light is stable. Next step is to add this printer in your smartphone or in any other device. Right now I'm just going to add this printer in my iPhone. You can also use the Android phone for that. Download the HP Smart app. You can download it from the App Store. In this app, click on the plus button, or if you have the first option, setup or add printer, select already connected to network, second option. Select HP and Y6100E series. It will display your printer and all the icons. You can complete the setup. So click on the finish setup. Select accept all printing services. It will ask you to enter the pin that is over the back side of the printer. If you move it, you will see under this label there is a pin number. You have to enter those digits. it will be different for each printer. Click on the submit. Continue. If you want to activate the HP Plus, you can do that, and then you can also enroll to the Instant Ink to get an offer with the printer that comes like free ink for 3 months, but after that there will be a charge from HP. If you don't want to go for that, just click on the do not activate HP Plus, decline HP Plus. But if you want to go through, you can just click on continue, and then it will ask you to join it. Now click on the continue. It will still register your printer if you don't enroll for those subscriptions. Here is welcome to the HP account. You can create a HP account just to get more options in your printer. If you want, it can ask you to remind, or if you just want to cancel, you can just do not enable ink delivery. You can skip the offer, or you can just say remind me after 2 months. Continue setup. Select auto updates and save. Let's print welcome page and see if it's working. That's great, it's working. Next step, if you want, you can send a link to other devices, or you can skip sending the link. Now you can see your printer with the estimated level of ink, and we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning using this HP Smart app. If you want, you can also add in a MacBook or laptop, and if you want to know how to do that, you can watch my videos on that. So this way we can do the complete setup of the printer, and then we can start using it. Thanks for watching.